Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to sign up for a Wise account. So first of all, what you're going to need to do is open up Google, and from here you're just going to type in Wise. And over here you're going to get the option to register. So you're just going to click on that. And first of all, you're going to need to add in your email address. Okay, so once you've added your email address, they're going to send you a link to that Gmail. You're just going to need to click on that and verify it basically. Then here it's going to give you an option what type of account you'd like to open. You choose which one. For now, I'm going to do a personal account. And you can select where you live. I'm going to click that. Okay, and here it's going to show you the type of the functions that works in your country. So that's going to show up here. So you just read up on that and then click continue. And in here you get an idea of the things you shouldn't use your account for. So you just agree with that. Then in here you're just going to add in your phone number. Of course, you're going to get a verification code over there as well. Just going to need to click on that, enter it, and then you create your password. Okay guys, so after that it's going to ask you to tell them a little bit about yourself. So you're just going to need to enter your full name, your date of birth, and it's going to ask you to verify your phone number. So you're going to have to go ahead and do that. Then you're just going to need to add in your address or postcode. After you do that, it's going to show you would you like to send or receive money. And I just exited that menu very quickly. But then after that, you can basically add which currency that you like to deal with. I'd say the most common one would be USD. So let's just add that in quickly. Okay, there we go, USD. Okay, so you're just gonna need to confirm that, and then when you're gonna want to transfer money into your Wise account, you're just gonna, of course, need to confirm your ID. Yeah, you're gonna need to confirm your ID and your banking details. So yeah guys, that's basically how you get started on Wise. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for more.